Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right away. Inspect the file to find the sync offset. Open your video in a simple editor and play back a clear audio-visual cue, clap, door slam, or spoken word, so you can measure how many seconds audio leads or lags. Once you have that rough offset, export the audio track if your editor requires it, or mark the timecode. Make sure to save a backup copy before moving audio, because you'll be shifting timestamps, and you want an original to revert to. Now adjust the audio precisely. Import both tracks into the timeline and zoom in until you see frames or milliseconds. Turn snapping off for fine control, then nudge the audio forward or backward by your estimated offset. Play back short segments repeatedly and watch lips and waveform peaks. If it's close, refine in small increments like 0, 0.5 to 0, 2 seconds. Make sure to check multiple points across the video, since drift can occur. If drift appears, measure at start and end to decide. Finish by exporting correctly. Choose the original frame rate and a stable codec so you don't introduce new sync problems. Once exported, play the file locally and then upload as an unlisted test to YouTube to confirm sync on both desktop and mobile. If you still see gradual drift between audio and video, re-encode using a constant frame rate or convert audio sample rate to match project settings. If problems persist, revert to your backup and try aligning again with smaller increments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.